बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatain 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Clever Rabbit and the Lion. Complete story. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, all the animals lived in fear of a mighty lion. The lion was so powerful that every day he demanded one animal as his food. The animals had no choice but to sacrifice one of their fellows daily. One day, a small rabbit's turn came. The rabbit was clever and thought, I cannot fight the lion with strength, but I can use my brain. The rabbit went slowly to the lion, arriving late on purpose. The angry lion roared, Why are you so late? The rabbit bowed and said, My lord, another lion stopped me on the way. He said he is the real king of this jungle and challenged you. Hearing this, the lion's pride was hurt. He shouted, Show me where that lion is. The rabbit took him to an old deep well. The lion peered inside and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought another lion was roaring at him. Furious, he jumped inside to fight, but drowned. From that day, the jungle was free from fear. All the animals praised the clever rabbit who had proved that intelligence is stronger than power. Moral: intelligence is greater than strength.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatain 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.